Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Still banging out videos tonight, see how many I can get done. Once again, if you want to know why it's getting harder for me to keep up with all the watch videos, is I've got another channel I'm starting up where I'm working on some of my car projects. So if you guys want to check that one out, I'll put the link below. I actually just got back from California where I picked up a new project, and that's the first video. Before we get to this box opening, which this is going to be my watchgang black membership watch for November 2018. We'll do a quick wrist check. You'll see that I threw that Blacklist Streetmatic back on. I actually really like this one. This was my watchgang black from October 2018. I'll go ahead and crack this one open. As you guys know, the watchgang black membership is the $99 membership. To be honest, I'm almost frightened to see what's in this one. There's been a watch that went out that a lot of people got for their black membership watch that not everyone was happy about. So we'll see if I ended up with what everyone else did. And I think I did. I think I got what a lot of people have been unhappy about. So we'll finish up the box opening and see what we got. Got their poster of the month. Time changes you. I like it. Got some cool info as always. So it looks like I got one of the Santos. Now, I actually have a couple Santos in the past from watchgang that I really liked. Now, this one is a signature series, and that's where a lot of people are unhappy with what they got. So let's see which version I got, but I will still do my usual. I will wear it, get to know it a little bit, and then do a follow-up for you guys. So this is the Danny Sullivan. So a lot of people's issues, I can tell you already, are the checkered flag and the Danny Sullivan. Danny Sullivan was a IndyCar racer, and I think he was into a few different open wheel sports. But you know, if you're not into those sports, definitely not a well-known figure to a lot of people. And I think people are having a harder time trading these ones off. At least I got a, just a clean black one. I like the tire tread on the strap there. I don't know. It's not too bad. It doesn't kill me that it's got Danny Sullivan on it, so it'll be interesting what I think after I wear it a little bit. The strap definitely feels a little different. I've been a fan of the Santos, so we'll see how this one goes. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below, and stay tuned for another box opening.